Welcome to Lesson 2 of the ScanRover Academy. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use Momentum Radar, the core scanner inside ScanRover, and how it helps you quickly identify the strongest momentum stocks across the US market. Momentum Radar is the main scanner you'll use every trading day. It continuously scans more than 12,000 US stocks and automatically ranks the strongest momentum opportunities in real time. Instead of searching thousands of symbols manually, ScanRover brings the most active stocks together in one place. At the top of the page, you'll see the highest-ranked stocks displayed as scanner cards. Each card gives you a quick snapshot, including the current price, percentage gap, and a live mini chart, making it easy to compare today's leading movers at a glance. Below the cards is the full scanner table. Here you'll find additional information including price, gap percentage, trading volume, relative volume, float rotation, float size, ScanRover score, and the latest news. Together, these metrics help explain why each stock is appearing on the radar. Clicking any stock opens the analysis panel. From here, you can review company news, key momentum statistics, price levels, and other important information without leaving the scanner. As market conditions change, stocks move up and down the Momentum Radar rankings. A higher ranking simply means the stock is showing stronger momentum based on ScanRover's ranking system at that moment. Don't focus only on the number 1 ranked stock. Many strong opportunities develop throughout the top 10 and top 25 as momentum builds during the session. Momentum Radar is designed to help you spend less time searching and more time researching. It gives you a fast, organized view of the strongest momentum stocks so you can focus your attention where the market is most active. A common mistake is treating Momentum Radar as a buy or sell signal. ScanRover is designed to help you discover and research active stocks quickly. Every trading decision should still be based on your own analysis and risk management. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to use scanner filters to customize Momentum Radar and focus on exactly the types of stocks you want to research.